Good morning. Ta-da! The farm came late. It's only in the evening. Ta-da! Yung farm. Appeared to be smaller than I thought. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Who's playing inside already? Hi, Judge. Yeah. Hi, Paul. Do you like the pool already? Yeah. So this pump turned out it won't be able to inflate the swimming pool. So we toss it. Then I found a hack. Bye. I found a hack using water bottle, cut, and hairdryer, and use the lowest temperature to blow. Let's try. Can you see? This one. This. It works! Hey! Who's playing inside already? Hi, Judge. Hi, Judge. Haven't blown finished, Judge. Judge already can't wait to play. Hi, Judge. Honey, Judge. Ha. Honey. When I feel the air, Paul already cozy, comfortable inside. The Paul. You like it, Paul? You like it? Even mommy can use too. It will be nice. Oh, with the tired legs. Warm bath. I need to get bubble. With running warm water. Yay! While waiting, the hairdryer not so hot anymore. Yay, that's a good plan. That's nice. I can fit. Since I don't have bathtub at home. Yay! One sleeping. It's cozy, Paul. Oh, it could be alternative as a sleeping bed. Yeah, yeah. Almost ready. Make sure to get the plastic wall bottle when the mouth smaller than the inflating hole. Almost ready. Yay! Can't wait to see George and Paul to swim. Yes, that's for the inflating hack today. See you next video. Bye bye. Click like and subscribe.